এটার নাম কি বলো তো? এটা কি?
হুক্কা
এটার নাম কি?
হুক্কা
এটার নাম ফুক্কা. Okay, it's a beautiful name. Hello everyone, it's me Shahparan in front of all of you, in front of the camera. So first of all, receive my salam, assalamu alaikum, and I hope all of you are passing really beautiful time, really gorgeous time, and all of you are very well. Alhamdulillah, I'm also passing super duper time. I am also very well. Maybe you have prayed for me, and that is the only why now I am able to pass this kind of beautiful, this kind of gorgeous time. So actually, right now I am in front of the camera. There is an important reason. The reason is today I've decided to show you the beautiful spots, the beautiful areas of my village. So if you want to enjoy my village, if you want to enjoy the beauty of my village, you can watch this video. Of course, I will try my best to show you the most beautiful places, the most beautiful spots. Okay. So as well as I will try to give a lot of information about my village. If you're a person who is eager to know about my village, you can watch this video. Hello Roman. Roman, come here, come near to me. Come fast. So viewers, as you can see, all of the spots, all of the areas are really looking very wonderful. Okay, Roman, come on, come fast. I'm waiting. হ্যালো, হোয়াটস ইউর নেম? তোমার নাম বলো। এখানে ক্যামেরার দিকে তাকাও। হ্যাঁ, ওকে, এদিকে আসো। এটার নাম কি বলো তো? এটা কি?
হুক্কা
এটার নাম কি?
হুক্কা
এটার নাম ফুক্কা. ওকে, ইটস এ বিউটিফুল নেম.